It's not nighttime. It's noon. And it looks like we're in Mars. Look at that sky. It's crazy. So somebody in the comments mentioned that you just hold the menu up and down. You can switch between controlling the TFT and the Navi. So now I'm gonna hold it up, and now I can scroll through the Navi menus using my controls. Yeah, it's just crazy. It's like nighttime. It's noon. Look at that sky. It's noon, but I've never seen this ever happening before in this area. So it's quite interesting. I wonder if the camera captures it. The camera seems to make it like brighter than it is, so we're not really seeing how it really looks like. It's really dark, so I mean, like a nighttime dark. The smoke has to be so thick that it blocks out all the sun, and it's like noon, you know, high noon, and there's no sun. There's ash on the freaking air too. It's just, if you open your visor, you get it on your eye. It's annoying. It's so eerie. It would have been nice maybe if it was Halloween. It's not nice, but I mean it would have matched the aesthetics. They also closed the national parks. It's getting serious. There is ash already on the bike, just parking for a few minutes. Really sucks. Hopefully these fires go away soon. This 2020 is just getting worse and worse.